So, how's it going, truckers? How's it going, truckers? Anyways, so we got the Jeep over here. We got Mr. Nice Jeep.
Man.
And we're gonna be putting an air horn in it.
Train horn.
Whatever. Train horn, air horn, whatever. This
this
monster thing right here. So you want to explain to them what we're doing?
Alright, so we're basically taking shit apart to put shit back together because it's a fucking Jeep and you gotta double back on everything that you do because it's a Jeep. So I'm taking sheet metal screws out of my battery because I'm lazy, super lazy. Trust me, I won't do this to other people's cars. I just do it to mine because I know it works. Then you got Blake over here. Blake doesn't even repair his stuff. He just asked me to come over. Alright, so this is the game plan with that.
Anyway, so what we're going to do is take this battery out in the battery tray. And there's a little pocket down in here.
Pocket.
There it is. It's a pocket.
Hole.
Whatever.
Convenient spot.
There's a little pocket. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's down in there underneath the battery. And we're going to mount the pump for the train horn and the switch that will allow the air to go into the horn. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Can I make this faster? Looks like all those things move really fast.
That's working great.
Yeah, he repairs his own stuff.
Yep, I'm a fixer. Work at my own shop and everything. My own, no. Oh my god, Cheryl, that's fucking heavy. So what you're saying is, I need another 9mm.
You need another 9mm?
I can't get that out. About fucking time. Oh. So. Just so you guys know, I just spent about like 20 fucking minutes trying to get one fucking sheet metal screw out of my socket. So I'm gonna do it again, just in case I didn't learn the first time.
Jake, do you like my rod? Get a drill in there.
Ashley,
What?
turn the key forward and turn left.
Turn left?
Yeah, like
You
towards.
do understand I'm on the other side of the fucking car.
You understand that?
I do.
There's nothing happening.
You're not supposed to start the car.
So what the fuck am I supposed to do?
Turn the steering wheel. Turn the key forward, tard. Other way.
I don't have to do it, do it yourself.
Yeah, that's me, jackass.
Oh, I know how to do it. It's just doing it itself. Okay. Join me in making a rubber washer.
Rubber washer.
First, what you do, you'll get half a hose. About that size, yeah. Boom. Anyways, then you take a drill bit and carefully and just. Okay, good. 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 And, yeah, you made it. Yeah. Work it back and forth on the shaft.
Oh my god.
To waller it out. To go faster, it wallers it out faster. Yeah.
Done.
You done? Alright. And that's how you make it.
It's like, oh my god, I didn't even spend this much on this kit. Which is totally made, by the way. Alright. Yep. So, air horn. The air pump is in. Hopefully it won't rattle. We tried to rubber mount it. So, this should be pretty mad, actually. All I gotta do now, run me a hot to... Pretty hot. Anyways, run a hot to the switch, I think. I may be wrong. Don't quote me on that. How terrible is this? Electrical's not my thing.
Fine.
Snatch a bunch of heads off like it ain't shit. But when it comes to electrical, nah, I'm good. Alright, so we'll be back.
Alright, we're back from Home Depot. I thought. Anyway, so we forgot something.
Forgot something my ass. You fault all day.
We forgot to grab the horn so we can get another fitting for that.
So,
We gotta go back
oh,
and get the fitting.
because obviously train horn fittings are different than standardized air fittings. And these things cost like $9, not $5, not $2, because it's a measly little brass fitting.
Yeah, brass is expensive.
Very. Because some asshole playing the trumpet has to make a profit off of it. Because you're using his brass.
Alright.
So he's an asshole. So we're gonna have to go back and get a fucking another one.
Alright guys, so we got everything hooked up. Sorry, I had to turn the camera off because it was getting in the way and we were doing the difficult part. Anyway, so we ran the line down to the pump, which came all the way up to here to the tank, which will fill up the tank. And then what they'll do is they'll send air all the way across. All the way across. Go back here, loop back around to this switch, which we have wired into the already set up for the horn. And then it'll follow it up, put it into the horn, and then beep. So yeah, problems though, problems. Up in there, I don't know if you can see it or not. You definitely cannot see it. Anyways, there's this horn. This horn's been sitting for a while, and so it's gotten crap and all that stuff in it. And right now, it's not wanting to make a horn sound. It did it once and then it stopped. So, a little irritated about that, but I'm pretty sure we can figure it out. What is spraying out there?
That's Zach.
Why?
He's spray painting the go-kart.
Oh, you spray painted the go-kart.
And he's like acting like he's asleep, and the cop's like talking to mom. We both have, me and my other brother doesn't have to pee. So my brother's like, you think he'll give us a ticket if I just go out and pee on the side of the road, Mom? We were almost out of gas.
I don't understand.
It was so bad.
Is that tire not
Ugh.
No, it's not on
sitting?
the ground.
Worst experience of my life.
Huh.
Don't flex very good, does it?
Look at this tire.
The lug nuts on this are only really nice, so it's probably... Yeah, Jake, why is it doing that? Is it not all the way
I don't know.
ran on? Because it wasn't doing that before.
Are you saying I broke it?
No.
You typical customer.
Probably am.
Typical customer.
Probably did.
I wasn't doing that till you touched it. Yeah, oh shit, I might die. By the way, wait. I welded this. As you can see, this big ass weld, which we saw earlier. I don't think it's gonna blow up.
I don't think it is either.
I think it's gonna leak.
Oh
But
my god.
oh, I wish I got that on camera.
It's not funny. Did you change that one so it's not
Hey,
two
Ashley.
again? It's one. Oh, lie.
Hey, where's your electrical tape at?
Huh?
Over here on the ground by Mike.
Pass me one.
Not funny.
That's hilarious.
God, whoever farted fucking me.
Right?
Watch your ears.
What is that? What is in there?
Oil. Totally has a Johnny Bravo movie.
Oh! You can't do that!
What blew? Out of every fucking line to blow off.
No! I was you saw me right! Nope! 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 Nope!
He threw you on the fucking jeep.
Yeah, he did. He was like, Jake Coward. Zake's like,
Just like this, I was like, you're standing there, move!
oh my god.
Nope.
You know what sucks?
Airline?
That's the one that's a really big pain in the ass.
Yeah, but you can get in there.
I barely was able to get in there before. Alright, there, we need to go.
Is this DeWalt ears, Jake?
Yes. Okay, well we got the basics though.
Yeah. Well, I guess this is gonna have to be a two-part video. Oh my god! My leg!
Sorry.
Ah, DeWalt battery to the leg. Ah, faded.
Hey, I dropped my fuse.
Oh, okay.
Alright, truckers. This is the end of it. Didn't really get to see much, but whatever. It'll be alright. Anyways, if you could, Mr. NiceTruck over here is making me do the outro.
Uh-huh.
Would you please like, share, and subscribe because Mr. Jeep Guy doesn't gets too much attention, and Mr. NiceTruck definitely needs to step his game up.
Yeah,
Alright. Thanks. Bye. I'm not good at that shit.
And have a nice trucking day.